In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage who can call you in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by unexpected calls or just want a bit more control over who can reach you, this setting is going to be very helpful. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Microsoft Teams so you can quickly adjust your call privacy to match the way you work. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main Teams screen, look toward the upper right corner of the window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Microsoft keeps a lot of the app-wide controls, so it's the starting point for changing your call settings. After clicking the 3 dots, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this list, find and click on Settings. This will open a new panel or window with several categories on the left-hand side. The settings area is where you customize how Teams behaves for your account, from notifications to devices and, in this case, privacy and calls. Inside the settings panel, look to the left and click on the section labeled Privacy. This section is dedicated to controls that affect your personal data, how others can interact with you, and who is allowed to contact you. It's a good idea to remember this area because anytime you want to tighten or relax your privacy, this is where you'll come back. Within the privacy settings, scroll or look for an option called Manage Who Can Call You. This is the specific control that lets you decide which people are allowed to place calls to you in Teams. Click on this option to open its details. Next, you'll see a drop-down or expandable menu next to Manage Who Can Call You. Click the small arrow to expand it. When you open this, you'll be able to choose from the available options, which typically include allowing calls from everyone, only people in your organization, or only your contacts, depending on your setup. Take a moment to read each option carefully and pick the one that best matches how accessible you want to be. Once you've made your choice, your new call preferences are applied automatically. You can close the settings panel and you're done. From now on, Teams will follow the rules you just set for who can call you.